Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. I hope you're all doing great. Welcome to your daily update here on Dogecoin. Going to do a full update here. Yesterday, unfortunately, was another bearish day in the books, and what that meant for Dogecoin is that we were unable to hold the bullish reclaim. All right, what we saw yesterday on the 1 hour time frame is that Dogecoin had a nice bullish retest here. It's actually, wait, I have to redraw this a little bit because it's a bit different. I think this was the main trend we had. Yeah, so what you saw for Dogecoin is that after that crash, we actually had a decent recovery here on top of 40 cents, on top of 39 cents. But unfortunately, we were unable to hold that reclaim. And we already talked about that in a video yesterday, I believe at least. Talked about that briefly in a video yesterday, that we did need to hold that bullish breakout if we actually wanted to get that move up into 42 and to 43. At the moment yesterday, I still thought that was most likely. All right, I'll be honest about that. We had a nice reclaim. So usually what follows after that is some more recovery. But no, yesterday afternoon and yesterday the start of the evening, or at least in my time zone, there was actually quite a lot of bearish pressure again. So what that meant is that Dogecoin was not able to hold the bullish reclaim, but we also had another bearish breakout. We broke down below this level right here, as you can see, with the 0.236 fib around 40 cents, to be more precise, 39.5 cents. And we dropped down into the support level right here at 37.36 cents, which you can see it was for some time, it was actually the bottom of the range. In general, this entire level between 34, where we have the 382 fib, and 36 cents, which is a respected key level, just a normal one. In general, we have a lot of support there. And I do not anticipate, like if we look at the higher time frames here, I do not anticipate Dogecoin dropping down below that level. Obviously, it's good to still be cautious on a day like today, where we also have CPI and inflation rate data. It's still good to be cautious for a move down, but there's so much support, and I do think that we're getting some strong support right now as well across the market, but also for Dogecoin specifically, that I do want to call this the bottom. But then the big question is will we have another spike down to potentially have some sort of a 3-drive pattern into support before reversing? Or is this the bottom, and can we actually expect some sort of recovery from here on out? And can we get into the consolidation? Because ultimately, I think Dogecoin right now is getting into a consolidation. There's no sign, obviously not right now, there's no sign of us breaking out, rallying and breaking out. So what we want is to get into that consolidation, and what we're trying to do right now is find the bottom of that consolidation. Now, so far we have a strong bottom here at 37 cents, 200 EMA, just in general some other bottom indicators. But what we need to see right now ultimately is a bullish reclaim. All right, we're at that crucial level right now, around the 0.236 fib on the higher time frames, around 40 cents, big psychological resistance level, of course. What we need to see over the course of this afternoon, after the US opens, is that Dogecoin is actually able to break above 40 cents and hold it. All right, so different from yesterday, where we broke back above the trend and were unable to hold it. So yeah, we need to do that. If we can do that, this was the bottom. We can actually get some bullish momentum again up to 44, 45 cents. And just in general, hopefully also try to break out again. So that is one possibility. If we are unable to do that, break above 40 cents right here, and if we actually do see some selling pressure reappear over the course of the US session today, but I'll keep you updated on that in my middle of the day market updates, then we're most likely going for that third drive into 36, 35 and potentially 34 cents before finding a bottom there, and then from there we'll be able to set up some sort of a consolidation. Those are my thoughts. Honestly, if you want to know which one I think is most likely here, I'm not able to give you that. All right, just wait for the confirmation. If we're able to break above 40 cents here, that's a confirmation. This was the bottom. If we're not able to do that, say in the next 7 hours, then you know that this was most likely not the bottom, and we'll actually bottom out once more before making that the absolute low. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know about Dogecoin for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.